Hey everyone, CP Vishwajit here. Let me ask you something. How many of you are spending money on ads, toiling cash ad campaigns, and barely seeing results? I have been there and it sucks. But here's the truth. You don't need ads to drive traffic for your affiliate links. They are a free traffic source that actually works. I am not talking about some vast theory. I am talking about the real strategies that can get you thousands of clicks and actual sales without spending a single dollar. Today I am going to share 5 free traffic sources that I personally use step by step with examples and numbers. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start and how to scale your affiliate marketing. So even if you have no budget, let me tell you a quick story. When I first started affiliate marketing, I wasted over 500 USD on ads my first month. I thought that's how I hate to do it. But the funny thing, some of my budget wins come from traffic that was completely free. On blog post I write took me just 2 hours to create, and within 30 days I generated over 1200 clicks and 400 USD in affiliate commission. I did not boost it. I don't pay a single cent. And that's when I realized free traffic is not only possible, it's smarter, especially for beginners. Let's start with Pinterest. More people think Pinterest is just for recipe or DIY stuff. Wrong. It's a search engine for design as social media. It's perfect for affiliate marketers. Here's the numbers. Pinterest has over 45 million active users and pins optimized with the keywords and get thousands of views every month. One of my clients, for example, created 20 pins in a week targeting email business tips. Within a month, they get 15,000 clicks on free and their affiliate sells triples. How to do it? Create a viral pins with clear headlines, use keywords in your pins descriptions, link directly to content that solve a problem. Don't just dump random links. It's a simple, free, and it works long term if you are consistent. Next, YouTube Shorts. Short form content is exploding right now. And the crazy part, you don't need thousands of subscribers to get views. Here's an example. I made a 45-second short showing how to earn 50 a day from on affiliate links. I posted it without ads. Within a week, I got 5,000 views and get my first 70 commissions from that single video. Pro tips for shorts. Hook in the first 3 seconds, something like stop wasting money on ads. Try this free traffic hook, keep it problem solving. People want solution and your affiliate links in the descriptions and mention it visibility. Shorts are perfect because they get pushed by YouTube to new audiences automatically, and it's 100% free traffic. Third, Quora and Q&A sites. Now, you might think, who clicks affiliate links on Quora? Trust me, people are do it for pay it right. Here's the trick. People on Quora already have a problem and they are looking for answer. If you give the detailed helpful answer with your affiliate link naturally included, you can drive hundreds of clicks per post. And one of my posts about email marketing tools generated over 500 clicks in the first month, and helpful for a affiliate sales. The key: don't spam, be genuinely helpful, show the examples, provide the real value, and the traffic will come. Number 4, Reddit and niche forums. This one of my tricky because Reddit hate spam, but done right, it's a gold mine. Example: I participated in a subreddit about online businesses. I shared a story about how I get my first 200 affiliate sale using free traffic. People engaged, asked questions, and clicked my affiliate link. In total, that single post I generated 300 plus clicks and 5 sales. Tips: always contribute before promoting. Share stories results on tips that includes links only when relevant. Reddit traffic is highly targeted, meaning the clicks you get are more likely to convert than random social media traffic. Finally, the king of the free traffic is SEO and blogging. It's slower than Shorts or Pinterest, but it's a long-term and passive. Here's the story. I write a blog post about the best free tools for affiliate marketing. Literally, I get a trickle of traffic, the 50 clicks a week, but after 3 months, I was ranking on Google page 1, branching over 2,000 clicks per month, and yes, those clicks converted into affiliate commission every month. A step to start: find the low competition keywords in your audience searching for. Write helpful content that solves real problems. Naturally include affiliate links, promote it on Pinterest and social media for a boost. It's a bit on effort upfront, but the traffic keeps coming month after month. So here's the truth. You don't need to spend hundreds on ads with Pinterest. YouTube Shorts, Quora, Reddit, and SEO, you can start generating free, high-quality traffic. The magic happens when you combine those sources. You could start with 2, test for a month, then scale. And remember, data does not lie. Affiliate using multiple free traffic sources often see 2 3x better ROI than those relying on paid ads. If you want, I can make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I set up all 5 traffic sources in my affiliate link, so you can copy and get results faster. Hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with actionable marketing strategies. And tell me in the comments which traffic sources are you are going to try first. I read every comment and reply to help you get started. Remember, free traffic is real, powerful, and scalable. You just need a right strategy. Go start driving traffic today and stop wasting money.